What's going on, guys? So today we have a few things to get done. Hopefully it doesn't start raining on us. If it does, we'll still do it. But I have a lot of wood chips here, and the goal today is to clear out all of the chickens' coop and put fresh wood chips down. I do this about once a year, so that's not bad. Keeps the smell down and it turns into compost. So I'll show you that later on. But let's get going here. Did I mention we got our meat chickens a couple weeks ago? They're looking good. So ideally, I want to put my chickens, the meat chickens, in this area right here. So I bought some fencing and some posts, and we're gonna get that going first so we can move the egg layers over here, just temporary, while we clean out the coop. So I did buy two 25-foot rolls, which I'm hoping it's enough, but if not, I can go back and get some more. They had plenty in stock. I did buy 8 posts, which I don't think is going to be enough now that I'm looking at it, but we'll find out. If not, we're going to the store. Get off me! Let's just set you guys onto here. There we go. Oops. So I bought these stakes. I mean, honestly, they're probably just for electric fences, but I think they'll work. I have different ones that I bought from Premier One Fencing that they work, but the actual stake part is shorter and it bends really easily. I have my yard is very rocky, so hoping these can do better and are a little bit stronger. So All right, cool. So it's at least set so they can go in there and not get out. I'm gonna get them through there. And how, you may ask? Rice Krispie treats. They love it. So the chickens got in there. One didn't want to go for some reason, and two were nesting. So yes, this fence is only 3 feet tall, and they can easily just hop over it and call it a day. But this is really meant for just the meat chickens, which those guys can't even jump to save their lives. But they're in here. They're liking it. So now we can clean out the coop. So I'm not actually going to film me like digging all this stuff out by any means, but you can see that at one point, I mean, this was all wood chips. I mean, I've shown it before, and I'll probably show it again and again and again. There's a lot of rocks in it because I think they've been digging so deep that the rock's just coming back up. But yeah, this looked like, you know, a freshly cut tree, and then, you know, it's looking like some dirt. So I'm gonna remove all of this and put a whole bunch of new wood chips down, help with the smell. They'll make compost for me, and they have something to scratch at. So it's a win-win. All right, so there it is. All of the old wood chips are out, minus there's some in the back still because there's kind of like they're bigger chunks of wood that I want to kind of mix in with the new stuff. But let me show you guys the difference between starting with wood chips and a year later of chicken just tilling it for you. Let's go check it out. So this right here, you can see, I mean, this is wood chips. I mean, these are like wood. There's a lot of other stuff in here. That chick keeps getting out. Wood chips all right here. I mean, it is pretty much wood chips, right? You know what wood chips are. Here it is a year later with chickens tilling it, pooping in it. There are still some big chunks, but for the most part, I mean, this is dirt. This is compost. This is good stuff. Good stuff. That's why I use wood chips in the chicken coop. And this is, I mean, this is what it starts with. I mean, I'll play a clip a year from now, and I'll show you guys, like, this is wood chips, guys. I mean, no doubt in my mind. And some garbage. That sucks. But this will all turn into good compost probably about in a year's time. I mean, if I kept it dry, like completely dry, it'd probably get done a lot quicker, but I don't have this side closed off yet, so, but it's looking nice.